Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the rest flows. Make sure your Google Home and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network, because Cast and device discovery rely on local connectivity. Install Chrome and the Cast extension if you plan to mirror or stream. This adds necessary protocols. Turn on Bluetooth for initial setup compatibility and sign into the same Google account. This ensures device visibility and permissions. Once done, you're ready to discover the speaker and move to connection steps. You now choose the connection method based on what you need. For streaming audio or mirroring, open Chrome, click the three dots, choose Cast, and select your Google Home. Select a tab, the desktop, or a file to cast, and you'll stream system audio. For direct Bluetooth playback, go to your computer's Bluetooth settings, find the Google Home device, and pair it. Accept pairing on the speaker if prompted. Make sure to set the output device and volume so sound routes correctly. You finish by confirming settings and testing playback. Check your computer's sound output and set Google Home as the default playback device, then play a sample audio or cast a YouTube tab to confirm. If audio fails, restart the app and reconnect the cast session, and make sure no VPN or firewall blocks local discovery. If connectivity remains unstable, reboot the router, Google Home, and computer. One key tip: if discovery completely fails, factory reset Google Home only after exhausting network and account checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.